Week 12 of the horse shelter build at Long Shadows began with the big task of planning the tack room fit out. But as always, once you start looking closely, you find a dozen other things that need doing. And this week, that meant more water. Specifically, the water that falls on the old hay shed right beside the horse shelter. Water we didn't want to waste. Pete had a real dilemma on his hands. How do you fit a gutter onto a shed that doesn't even have a fascia board? After a bit of head scratching, he came up with an ingenious plan. He attached aluminium channel directly to the lower edge of the existing corrugated iron, then cut 8-inch plastic downpipes lengthwise to create a custom water inlet that runs along the roofline on both sides. It was clever, simple, and perfectly suited to this old shed. The north side of the roof iron had a noticeable sway in the middle, so Pete decided to run the downpipe straight through the centre of the hay shed and into the water tank. And honestly, it worked a treat. Another piece of the Long Shadows water harvesting puzzle solved. With that system complete, attention turned back to the tack room. The large steel laundry sink was installed, built into a sturdy bench with plenty of room on either side for mixing horse feed. Hooks are going up along the north-facing wall, and a head height shelf ready for oils, supplements, and all the other little things that keep the horses running smoothly. This week also marked the beginning of our solar planning, mapping out how to power the water pump, provide general purpose outlets, and run lighting to each bay and out to the arena. We picked Alex's brain for advice, and of course, when he brought his drone along, we couldn't resist capturing a sweeping view of the paddock and the horse shelter. It looks incredible from above and captures the obvious dry, which is typical weather for this time of year in southeast Queensland. As always, family sits at the heart of everything we do here at Long Shadows, and the bush barbecue was lit, and we shared a delicious lunch to celebrate what we've achieved in just over 12 weeks. And there you have it, week 12 done and dusted. Join us in week 13 as we dive deeper into solar power for the horse shelter, and I finally begin moving all the tack and horse feed into their brand new home.